Dr. Priyanka Kateva, Associate Professor in Mahatma Gandhi Nursing College. Today we will discuss about adulteration of food. Firstly, we see about adulteration. Adulteration means it is defined as the practice of adulterating food or contamination of food materials by adding few substances which are known as the adulterants. Adulteration is an illegal practice of adding raw and other cheaper ingredients to the excellent quality products to increase the quantity. Adulterants means they are the substances or poor quality products added to food items for economic and technical benefits which reduce the value of nutrients in food and also contaminates the food which is not fit for good health. These adulterants can be available in all food products which we consume daily, like including daily products, cereals, pulses, grains, meat, vegetable, fruits, oil, beverages, and etc. Causes of food adulteration. So their main reason for adulterating food products are practice as a part of the business strategy, imitation of some other food substances, lack of knowledge of proper food consumption to increase the quantity of food production and sales, increased food demand for a rapidly growing population, to make maximum profit from food items by few investment, to increase taste, flavor, color and lifespan of food. So main reason of food adulteration are costing, increasing maximum profit and increased food demand for rapidly. Now we will see methods of food adulteration. So which have been added because adding certain chemicals for faster ripening of fruits, mixing of decomposed fruits and vegetables with the good ones, adding certain natural and chemical dyes to attract consumers, mixing of like clay, pebbles, stones, sand and marbles, chips to the grain, pulses and other crops items into the food items. Cheaper and inferior substances are added wholly or partially with the good ones to increase the weight or nature of the product. Prevention of food adulterants. Which methods we will use for preventing adulteration? So every year 7th April is celebrated as the World Health Day globally, and as per the reports, WHO is aimed to bring a general awareness about the adulteration of food products, motivate and inspire everybody to have a healthy, balanced diet. The certain safety tips to avoid adulteration are: avoid dark colored junk and other processed food, make sure to clean and store all the grain, pulses and other food products. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly in running water before it is used. Check the seal is valid or not before buying the food products like milk, oil and other pouches. So firstly we will see the date of expiry. Like always make sure to check and buy products having an ISI validated label, ISI Indian Standardized Standard, along with the license number, list of ingredients, manufacture date and its expiry date also. So by these methods we follow, then prevent the adulteration. Now we will see types of adulterations. So which food material we will use as a adulterant? Like cereals, in cereals including mud and grits, in haldi powder mixing lead chromate powder, dhania powder, in this cow or horse dung, black pepper, used papaya dry seeds, chili powder, sawdust, in tea leaves black gram husk used as a adulterant, coffee powder, date husk, hing, sand grit, in butter animal fat and in milk extraction of fat are including as an adulterant. So government decide and passed the act, PFA Act, Prevention of Food Adulteration Act. Food is one of the basic necessity for sustenance of life. So pure, fresh and healthy diet is most essential for the health of the people. So the government of India has set certain standard to be followed by food companies to cause no harm to the consumers. That's why Prevention of Food Adulteration Bill was passed by both the House of Parliament and received the assent of the President on 29 September 1954, and this act came into force on 1st June 1955 as the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act in 1954. So now see adulterant. Definition of adulterant. Adulterant means any material which is or could be employed for the purpose of adulteration. Adulterated article of food shall be deemed to be adulterated. Objectives of PFA Act. So firstly, to protect the public from harmful food, to protect the public from poisonous food, and to prevent the sale of substandard food, and to protect the interest of consumers by eliminating food adulteration. So main objectives of government by formation of PFA: protect public from harmful food, to prevent sale of substandard food, and to protect the interest of consumers by eliminating food adulteration. Provision and importance of PFA Act. So label and composition should be clear for the consumers. Sales of food color license is prohibited. No insecticide should be sprayed on the food items. Milk powder can only be sold with an ISI mark. Addition of artificial sweeteners should be mentioned on the label. Sale of kesari dal is prohibited. So not sell this dal. The food or any prohibited preservations are permitted in clear prescribed limits. The food should be adulterated if the vendors who want to increase their profit by selling by substandard or mixing food of same color and texture, it is giving less quantity, misbranding or labeling of food. The act ensured that quality and standard of food are maintained and food is considered adulterated when any cheaper substances has been added. The article contains partially or completely decomposed material which is unfit for consumption. The food inspectors are responsible for sampling and sending for analysis to ensure food safety and quality. Any food inspectors can inspection any place where the food is produced, sold and stored. If any quality will be diminished, then punish that person with 6 months to a year imprisonment and fine of rupees 1000. Thank you.